Hello everyone, so here is the technical demo for TrustPay. First thing you need to do is to connect your wallet and then request for our test tokens. We are airdropping SOL, USDC and USDT that you can get started with. Then click on the create contract, either create as a service provider or as a client, and then the type of payment, whether it's a one-time payment or a milestone payment, and the token that you're making the payment in and the amount that you're going to pay. After inputting the amount of token you are paying, you will need to put the contract title and then any terms and conditions for that contract. After which you will then put the service provider's wallet address. That's if you are creating as a client. But if you are creating as a service provider, you put the client address and then you select the duration for the contract and then click on the create contract. You will need to sign this transaction. The amount for the transaction is deducted and then the rent plus the platform fee. Now this contract has been created. The service provider can then view the contract on their dashboard, accept the contract and begin working on it. After they finish working on it, they will send you the evidence of chain and then mark the work as complete. After they mark the work as complete, you, the client, can then go through the evidence that they submitted of chain and then approve or dispute the payment. Approving the payment will transfer the token from the escrow and you get your rent back. It will transfer the token from the escrow to the service provider, as you can see here, and then the volume card is also updated. This is the general contract volume card. Now in the next video, I'll be showing the client interface, the service provider's interface, where they are creating a contract as a service provider, a milestone contract, a milestone payment. Now for the service provider, they select that they are the service provider, the contract, whether it is milestone, the amount, and then the title, just like previously done. And then for the milestone, they need to impute what they are doing and then the amount that they are to be paid for each milestone. They just approve the transaction and then the client can then accept this transaction. After accepting, the service provider can then begin working on the project, and after each phase they mark it as complete and then the client release this payment. Once the client releases the payment, the tokens are transferred from the escrow to the client, to the service provider's wallet address. As you can see here, the volume card is also updated and the service provider gets his money. Yeah, thank you.